Hi, I'm recording this video because I cannot sleep. I'm just so worried about the world today that too many things is happening, like the forest fire in LA, the ongoing war in Ukraine, in Israel, in Middle East, about how Donald Trump manipulate the crypto, everything. There's some sort of connection about there are things that will happen about this world that we never expect of. Maybe some sort of calamities, maybe it's man-made. I'm just worried. It's just like we need to prepare, each and every one of us, that but how can we prepare for the things that we didn't expect that will come? So I hope in this time we should be vigilant, we should stock in food, we should be prepared for the upcoming things that will happen. There are so much conspiracies there. So good luck to all.